Come on, Cheryl, what do you say? I think we're going to have some points here, right?
I hope so. I'm going to go with Nancy Long. I like her smile.
You're so sweet. But Jeff, can we hustle up a bit? I've got lines around the building.
Well, we will make this as quick as possible, and I'll tell you what, if you get the right answer, I'll get everyone in here to volunteer to help you count money, okay? All right, your question is, what are the 4 P's in a successful marketing plan? Just one more here. Sure. Yeah.
I have product pricing, promotion, and placement.
Perfect answer. All right, way to go. What do you think, Susie? Has it? She's confident. Nancy, what do you have? Product pricing, promotions, and Pilates.
Damn, you people want from me. I've been counting freaking money for weeks now. I'm a little worn out. I think my answer should count.
Wow. I think the money's been wearing on her.
I'll take your Pilates any day.